Make a great choice today with the 2013 Juke. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, anti-theft security system, four-wheel ABS, side airbag system, rear window defroster, security package, child safety rear door locks, side curtain airbag, outside temperature gauge. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.